Good morning, Shemstars. Welcome to class. Hope you all are fine. Today we will continue with our chapter number 5, that is Indian Sociologist. And in today's lecture we will talk about D.P. Mukherjee and A.R. Desai. Now D.P. Mukherjee on tradition and change. D.P. Mukherjee's work was mainly emphasized on the crucial role of a social system for society. D.P. Mukherjee felt very strongly that the distinctive feature of India was its social system, and that therefore it was important for each social science to be rooted in this context. For Mr. Mukherjee, the study of tradition was not oriented only toward the past but also included sensitivity to change. He argued that Indian culture and society are not individualistic in the Western sense. Mr. Mukherjee pointed out that the root meaning of the word tradition is to transmit. Its Sanskrit equivalent are either parampara, that is succession, or atithya. D.P. Mukherjee argument on Indian culture and society as different from the Western society. The most commonly cited internal source of change in Western societies is the economy, but this source has not been as effective in India. Class conflict, D.P. believed, had been smoothened and covered by caste tradition. In the Indian context, where new class relation had not yet emerged very sharply, he concluded that one of the first tasks for a dynamic Indian sociology would be to provide an account of internal non-economic cause of change. Mukherjee believed that there were three principles of change recognized in Indian tradition, namely Shruti, Samriti, and Anubhav. The most common principle of change in Indian society was generalized as Anubhav, or the collective experience of group. He emphasized that this was true not only of Hindu but also of Muslim culture in India. In Indian Islam, the Sufis have stressed love and experience rather than holy text and have been important in bringing about change. So tradition come from the same roots and transmitted to the next generation. Indian context is not only where reasons like buddhi, vichar is the dominant force for change. Anubhav and prem, which mean experience and love, have been historically superior as agents of change. Next we move further to A.R. Desai. A.R. Desai is one of the rare Indian sociologists who was directly involved in politics as a formal member of political parties. Desai joined the Bombay Department of Sociology to study under Gure. He wrote his doctoral dissertation on the social aspects of Indian nationalism and was awarded the degree in 1946. His thesis was published in 1948 as The Social Background of Indian Nationalism, which is probably his best known work. Next we discuss A.R. Desai on the state. Modern capitalist state was one of the most significant themes of interest to A.R. Desai. In an essay called The Myths of the Welfare State, Desai provides a detailed critique of this notion and points to its many shortcomings. Desai identifies the following unique features of the welfare state. A welfare state is a positive state. This means that unlike the laissez-faire of classical liberal political theory, the welfare state does not seek to do only the minimum necessary to maintain law and order. The welfare state is an interventionist state and actively uses its considerable power to design and implement social policies for the betterment of society. The welfare state is a democratic state. Democracy was considered an essential condition for the emergence of the welfare state. Formal democratic institutions, especially multi-party elections, were thought to be a defining feature of the welfare state. It involved a mixed economy. A mixed economy means an economy where both private capitalist enterprises and state or publicly owned enterprises coexist. A welfare state does not seek to eliminate the capitalist market, nor does it prevent public investment in industry and other fields. The state sector concentrates on basic goods and social infrastructure, while private industries dominate the consumers' goods sectors. Performance of the welfare state can be measured also. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care.